All right, food pros, let's talk food safety tools you absolutely need in your manufacturing space. Look, compliance isn't just a box to check. It's about protecting your brand, your customers, and your bottom line. So here's my rundown of the essentials. First up, digital thermometers. I'm talking about instant red models. Fast, accurate, and easy to calibrate. You can't guarantee food safety if you're guessing temps. Next, metal detectable gloves and tools. It only takes one stray glove in a batch to spark a recall. Go for bright colors and metal detectable material so nothing slips through the cracks. Now don't skip on pH meters and test strips. If you're working with sauces, dressings, or anything fermented, these are your early warning system. Make sure they're easy to clean, waterproof, and, seriously, calibrate them often. Sanitizer test kits are another must. It's not enough to just dunk your equipment. You need to know your sanitizers at the right strength every single time. And let's talk about color-coded cleaning tools. This simple trick keeps allergens and contaminants from cross-contact. Use separate brushes, bins, and mops. Red for raw, blue for cooked, yellow for allergen zones. Last, smart traceability tools. QR code systems, digital logs, even simple batch labels. They all help you track down problems fast and prove your process if anything goes wrong. Bottom line, food safety tools don't just keep your product legal. They keep it respected. Invest in the right gear, stay sharp, and you'll protect everything you've built. If you want more food safety tips, don't forget to hit subscribe. Stay safe, keep crushing it, and I'll catch you in the next one.